This is the iCamp Foldable Caravan 2019, a multifunctional trailer that gives you a comfortable and versatile space to camp and travel. At first glance, the iCamp looks like a compact, sleek sports car. Its flat top, well-shaped rear, and smooth, aerodynamic lines make it look modern and stylish. But the magic happens when you press the remote control. In just 28 seconds, the roof rises automatically, transforming this compact trailer into a fully functional, spacious camping area. It's impressive how fast and smooth the setup is, almost like the caravan is coming to life right before your eyes. Once opened, the iCamp reveals its smart interior. It has a 6-seat layout with a main surround sofa and a daybed, giving you multiple options for lounging or sleeping. The front walls are fitted with mosquito nets and screen windows, letting in fresh air without letting insects inside. The interior height is 6.5 feet, so most adults can stand comfortably, and with a total length of 14.4 feet, there's plenty of room to move around. The caravan weighs only 538 kilograms, which makes it easy to transport. You don't need a large SUV or truck. Even a regular automobile can tow it. This makes it perfect for weekend trips or spontaneous adventures, especially for those who don't want the hassle of a large campervan. The kitchen is compact but fully functional. You can cook inside or outside, which is perfect if you want to enjoy an outdoor meal. There are 2 long shelves, each 1.15 meters, that can hold cookware, dishes, or other essentials. Storage is cleverly integrated everywhere, from under the sofas to wall compartments, making sure you have everything you need at your fingertips. Let's talk about the experience of using the iCamp. Imagine arriving at your campsite after a long drive. You simply press the remote button, the roof rises, and in less than half a minute, your camping space is ready. You have your sofa set up, a daybed ready for relaxing, and a compact kitchen ready for a quick snack or full meal. It's so easy that even a first-time camper could do it without any instructions. The exterior design is not just about looks. The flat top can easily accommodate solar panels for off-grid electricity. The rear is well-shaped to maximize space inside, and the folding awning roof gives you a shaded outdoor area almost instantly. For families, this is a huge bonus. You can enjoy meals outside, play games, or just relax without worrying about the sun. Inside, the layout is intuitive. The 6-seat configuration allows everyone to sit comfortably and socialize. The sofa converts into a bed, and the daybed adds extra sleeping space. The design is clever enough that even though the caravan is small, it doesn't feel cramped. Storage compartments, shelves, and under-sofa spaces maximize usability without making it feel cluttered. The ventilation and light in the iCamp are excellent. Mosquito nets and screen windows allow for fresh air while keeping bugs out. Large windows bring in natural light, making the interior bright and inviting. It's impressive how a compact caravan can feel so open and airy. One thing that stands out about the iCamp is its versatility. You can cook indoors or outdoors, sleep multiple people comfortably, store your belongings efficiently, and still have a cozy living space. This makes it ideal for solo campers, couples, or small families. The foldable design also makes it easy to transport and store when not in use. The setup process is incredibly user-friendly. Using the remote control, you can open the roof and extend the awning in seconds. This means less time fiddling with poles or complicated mechanisms, and more time enjoying your campsite. The convenience of quick setup cannot be overstated. It transforms the camping experience. Now, let's dive deeper into the sleeping areas. The main surround sofa converts into a comfortable bed that can sleep 1 or 2 adults, while the daybed provides extra sleeping space for children or friends. The beds are thoughtfully designed with cushions that are comfortable enough for overnight use. Additionally, there's storage underneath, so you can keep your travel gear handy but out of sight. The kitchen setup is compact but very functional. The storage shelves nearby make it easy to keep utensils, plates, and ingredients organized. Cooking inside is convenient, but if you prefer to cook outside, the foldable design allows you to set up a small outdoor kitchen area quickly. Proper ventilation and lighting enhance the experience. For those who love the outdoors, the iCamp's outdoor features are a major highlight. The folding awning creates a shaded area, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or simply lounging. The remote-controlled roof makes this setup quick and effortless. It's the perfect companion for a picnic, a beach day, or a forest campsite. Transportation is another area where the iCamp shines. At 538 kilograms, it's light enough for almost any car to tow. The compact shape allows it to fit into tight spaces, whether you're parking at a campsite or storing it in a garage. This portability is rare for a caravan that still offers so much interior comfort. Even though it's a 2019 model, the iCamp still feels modern. Its design is ahead of its time, and the ease of use, clever interior layout, and multifunctional features make it relevant today. Many newer models try to compete, but often lack the compact efficiency and user-friendly design that the iCamp offers. If you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer road trip, the iCamp Foldable Caravan 2019 gives you the flexibility to enjoy camping anywhere. It's practical, fun, and surprisingly spacious for its size. From cooking and sleeping to relaxing and socializing, this caravan handles everything while being easy to transport and set up. The iCamp also encourages family camping or trips with friends. Its versatile layout allows multiple people to relax, sleep, or enjoy meals together. The storage solutions ensure that gear, food, and personal items are always accessible yet out of the way. For campers who love convenience and efficiency, this is a game changer. In conclusion, the iCamp Foldable Caravan 2019 is a multifunctional, compact, and comfortable trailer that proves small doesn't mean limited. With a remote-controlled roof, clever seating and sleeping arrangements, excellent ventilation, easy storage, and portability, it's a perfect companion for any camping enthusiast. Even years after its release, it continues to impress and demonstrates that smart design can make camping simple, fun, and luxurious. If you love camping and want a trailer that's easy to use, versatile, and full of clever features, the iCamp Foldable Caravan 2019 is definitely worth checking out. Whether for solo trips, family adventures, or road trips with friends, it's a caravan that can truly enhance your outdoor experiences. And remember, this is a 2019 model. It's already years old, yet the design is still so clever and modern that it feels ahead of its time.